welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you all the terrariums I have. So let's go. So number one is this is my first terrarium. Over here, as you can see, is my Minnie Mouse indoor theme, and over here it's written happy 10th birthday. I just became 10th, and here's a Minnie in the garden with a little this thing over here, a thing, and it's a plant. It was a bit dead, but my mom helped me put it in the water again, so it's here. So it's gonna grow, so don't worry guys, it's gonna grow. So the next one I have is, and this one was actually not my officially first one, it's just the first one. It looks very childish, so I didn't really like that much, but the plant is my favorite. And this is a very cute Minnie Mouse thingy. So I use this all inside my house. I never bought anything from here. And it is like not exactly a cup thing. It was not coming till the top. So I didn't know how to plant. I did not know how to plant. So it was already planted. So just added decoration. It's not much of a terrarium, right? Is it? Is it a terrarium? Never mind. Next terrarium we're going in. So the next, dude. So my next terrarium I'm going to show you is, so guys, this is my second terrarium, and over here as you can see, this is the cactus I had grown, and it has got baby plants which is so cute, and there's a lot of cute plants over here, and all of them are pretty much growing. Some of them died, and we bought all these things. So pretty much this is my second terrarium, my officially first terrarium, so I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so now my third terrarium is Buddha, and it's pretty cute because it's like a Buddha, and look at that, the baby cactus is growing, and it's so cute, and it's really cute. It's basically my theme for this. My first terrarium theme was a Minnie in the garden, and my second terrarium was about a fairyland with prince and princess, and you know what? This is basically Buddha adoring nature. So yeah. So this is back in the place. Shall we put it back in the place? Okay. Yo. Okay. So my third terrarium is. So this is actually pretty good because if you look closely, this is a wolf theme, and this is basically just a very simple wolf theme, and this is a plant called Gasteria. Yeah, it's a Gasteria plant, and I also use the pebbles, and it's also very nice. The shape of the glass is pretty good, so I like it, and yeah, it's pretty good. And this is my fourth terrarium. We're gonna keep that back in there. Oh my god. And this is my fourth terrarium. No, my fifth terrarium. So it's pretty cute. It's basically a tiger in the forest, and it's aloe vera plants. And this is a fake plant because you can easily just remove it. So this is a good plant, and it's pretty good. My theme was actually very simple. I didn't really want much complicated, and I was also getting pretty bored during lockdown. So I created this thing, and to me it looks like success. What do you guys think? Do you like it too? Let me know in the comment section down below. Whoa, okay. And this is the plant which I put it today. How do you like this? Is it good, guys? So basically this is Buddha. Basically there's a meaning behind this. It means that Buddha, God is with the nature like forever. So this is a very herb plant, it smells really good. You can even eat it because it's a Ayurvedic plant, and this is a normal aloe vera plant, and it's a very simple theme. And I also did some designs here. So Buddha is just standing. The fragrance is so good, and so Buddha is just standing here, and there are a lot of seashells. If you noticed, there's a lot of seashells which we got from the beach from last week. So that's all, and I don't have many more space to keep terrarium, but that doesn't mean I'm going to give up on my terrarium dream. I have more place I can keep, like from here, I can even keep it like the whole window shield, like the whole place till here, which is pretty good. And I can also keep it over there. So yeah, I have a lot of place to do, and I'll also do more terrarium video for you guys. And in my next terrarium video, I'll make a short tutorial on how to do it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, just put the BOSSBABY outro. Put.